You ever notice how the quickest way to look successful is often the fastest way to stay broke? It's this crazy trap so many of us fall into. We get so wrapped up in trying to look the part, trying to look rich, that we totally miss our chance to actually become rich. So today we're going to break down exactly how this happens, and way more importantly, how you can get out of it.
And this quote right here, it absolutely nails the problem. We're all conditioned to think success is something you can see, the fancy car, the expensive watch. But real wealth, the kind that buys you freedom, that stuff is totally invisible. It's the assets you own, working their tails off for you in the background, building a fortune that nobody ever sees.
And that brings us to what I call the fake success trap. It's this huge, dangerous canyon between the appearance of wealth and the reality of it. It's a powerful illusion, and it's keeping millions of people financially stuck in place. I mean, look at this. This slide just lays out our social programming perfectly. On one hand, you've got the public perception. You roll up in that brand new Beamer, and yep, you get the head nods, the likes, the admiration. But then there's the quiet reality. That boring, paid-off Honda doesn't impress anyone at the stoplight. But that car is the very thing, literally, that's letting its owner build a real, life-changing fortune in silence.
So, what is it? What's the number one thing standing between you and financial freedom? Well, for most people, it is not what you think. It's the one expense that is silently, ruthlessly killing their chances of ever building wealth. And that is transportation.
And you have to start thinking about your car like this. Your vehicle is not an investment. I don't care what the ads say, it's a financial black hole on wheels, and it is designed to do one thing and one thing only: suck money right out of your wallet. In fact, this is so common, there's actually a name for it. It's called being car poor. And it's that sinking feeling where you're making just enough money to cover your car payment, your insurance, your gas, but at the end of the month, there is absolutely nothing left to invest, to save, to grow your net worth. You're just running on a financial treadmill going nowhere fast. And the scale of this problem, it's just staggering. The average price for a brand new car right now is nearly $48,000. Just let that sink in for a minute. Almost 50 grand for an asset that starts losing thousands of dollars in value the second you drive it off the lot. It's insane. And look, this isn't just a few people making a bad call. This is a massive systemic problem. The total auto loan debt in the US has exploded to an all-time high of over $1.6 trillion. That's trillion with a T. We are literally financing ourselves into a dead end. Okay, so that's the big, scary picture. Now let's bring this down to earth and make it personal. Let's unpack all the hidden fees and the absolutely massive opportunity cost that's hiding behind that new car smell.
And to do this, we're not even going to pick a fancy luxury car. Let's look at what most people would call a sensible choice. A brand new Honda Civic. Sticker price, just under 28 grand. Seems reasonable, right? I mean, it's not a Porsche. Well, let's take a closer look.
Okay, this is where the illusion just completely shatters. The true cost to own that sensible Civic for just 5 years is a jaw-dropping $46,821. That's almost double the sticker price. How is that even possible? Well, first, depreciation. You're going to watch $11,000 of your money just evaporate into thin air. Then you tack on financing, insurance, fuel, maintenance, and suddenly you've spent a small fortune.
But honestly, here's the real kicker. The real pain isn't even the 47 grand you spent. It's the wealth you gave up by not putting that money to work for you. This is the opportunity cost, and believe me, it is the most expensive cost of all.
And this slide just lays it out, plain and simple. 2 paths you can take. You go down the new car path, and after 5 years, poof, you've burned through almost 47 grand on something that's worth less and less every day. But what if you chose the investment path? What if you took that same $780 a month and just put it into a simple S&P 500 index fund? Well, based on historical averages, in 5 years, you could have over $60,000. Think about that. You're not just down 47K. You missed out on being up 60K. It's a $100,000 swing.
Okay, that's the problem. It is huge. I get it. But the good news is there is absolutely a way out. So let's talk about a smarter path forward. It's time to stop financially drifting and start building real wealth with a proven system.
And a really powerful way to do this is with the 25-15-50-10 rule. It's simple. It puts your wealth building first. Before anything else, 25% of your income goes straight into growth assets, investments.
And look at that slice for transportation. It is capped at just 15% of your take-home pay. That's for your car payment, your insurance, gas, everything. If you're spending more than that, you are in the car poor danger zone.
So how do you stay in that 15% lane? You follow this exact playbook. Step 1, find the sweet spot. You buy a reliable car that's 3 to 4 years old. Step 2, you dodge that brutal depreciation hit. You let the first owner take that giant financial punch to the gut. And step 3, this is the secret sauce, you drive that car for 10 plus years. Every single year you drive a paid-off car is another year you can pour gasoline on your investment fire.
And when you actually do this, something really powerful happens. It does more than just grow your bank account. It totally redefines what success even looks like to you. You start moving beyond these shallow status symbols and towards something so much more real.
This right here, this is what we're talking about. True wealth isn't the shiny car in the driveway. It's the army of assets working for you 24/7 in the background, quietly building a life where you never, ever have to answer to a boss again.
Because at the end of the day, what's the whole point? Why are we even doing this? It's for this. This is the goal. Real wealth is not about owning a bunch of stuff. It's about owning your time. It is the ultimate freedom to wake up every single morning and decide for yourself how you want to spend your day.
So I'm just going to leave you with this one question, and I want you to really think about it. Take a hard, honest look at your choices. Are you building your life around a depreciating asset that's designed to keep you trapped, or are you building your freedom? The choice, as always, is yours.